Golden Bee Global, the Bee Hive of Learning.
Hello all, my name is Dr. Reema Jain and I'm the principal of Golden Bee Global with Vidpure BTM campus. Today on occasion of Teachers Day, I wish to extend my greetings to all the teachers who have been a source of inspiration and motivation to all the children and making invaluable contribution in the lives of so many children and society at large. Today we celebrate this Teachers Day in the honor of one of the most renowned and influential teachers, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Your contribution as teachers, in making this society a better place to live. When you train the children, in the classroom, you train the children for the art of absorbing knowledge, for the art of learning and in the art of living, you are, in my, thoughts, you are training a complete citizen of future. So that's something which is very, very important, and the role that you play in doing so. Teaching is one of the noblest professions in the world, and I personally believe that there's no substitute to the quality education, as it helps in changing the lives of thousands of individuals and their families. I wish to take this opportunity to thank you all for your invaluable contributions to this nation, to this society, to this institution, and wish each one of you a very happy Teachers Day once again. May God bless you and give you the strength to achieve your personal and professional targets in life. All the very best to you. Thank you.
Golden Bee Global, the Bee Hive of Learning.